Welcome to Appu Show. Subscribe our channel. So kids, today we learn planets' name. Our solar system consists of 8 planets, which all orbit around our home star, the Sun. The Sun lies in the center of the solar system. The Sun is 100 times bigger than our Earth. These 8 planets are Mercury, Budh Grah. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Venus, Shukra Grah. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. Earth, Prithvi. The Earth is our home planet and it is third planet from the Sun. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet in our solar system. Mars has 2 moons and Mars also called red planet. Jupiter, Brihaspati Grah. Jupiter is the bigger planet in the solar system. It is fifth planet from the Sun. Saturn, Shani Grah. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is sixth planet from the Sun. Uranus, Arun. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is very cold planet. Neptune, Varun. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun. It is very cold planet like Uranus. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई तो सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर करें।